All right, we're getting straight into it today. Market's already moving. Let me share the screen. All right, cool. So we up. It's July. It's July 1st. New trading month. New opportunities. Not too much talking today. Getting ready to take a supply setup. We're in the downtrend. We're trading underneath VWAP. See, I got a sell order sitting in right now at 808. We're just gonna get straight to it. We got a key level that we're looking to get out. We got a key level that we're looking to get in. So let's see if we get tapped in, and we try to take this trade all the way down to the downside here. Taking this off the 15 minute today. 15 has been looking pretty clean last few days, or last few trading days anyway. Let's make today a good day. Let's make today a good day. Let's make today a good day. We got a breakout candle right here on the 1 hour. So we're looking for come up, tap us in on the supply move on the 15. Keep on moving on down. This wick right here we were at all-time highs here yesterday. So it's gonna follow this trend and follow what history tells us. We get back to all-time highs. The market likes to sell off. So see if we can get tapped in here and sell off. And sell off. Yeah, this move is starting early today. We're getting straight to it. 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. Because it's July, man.
Because it's July.
It's July's new month. New opportunities. We're gonna clean it up this month. Last month was it was okay in the sense that we still went positive. We still made money for the month. So that's always something to be proud of, trading in these markets. But I left a lot of money on the table. There were some days where I didn't follow the rule of only taking one trade, over analyzing information, hesitating, not taking a trade, poor management of a trade. So I'm up a fair amount of profit. Don't want to close because I didn't really have a target, right, of where to close. So July is really, really focused on entries and exits and keeping it simple. So just doing what's been paying the bills in the first place. Trying not to take in too much information. I did do like I bought a course, went over some more information on basically key levels. This course was really focused on price action. So no indicators, just straight up price action, right? Key level support resistant areas, and just taking trades. So try to incorporate some of those things as far as my exit strategy and entry strategy, or not so much entry, but really the exits. So yeah, I think exits. I mean, even in my best month, like going back to May, I still struggled with exits, and we killed it in May. So we can clean up the exits. We're gonna be all right. But it's a new month. It's a clean slate, new opportunity. Um, June was our third month trading on top one futures. I'm not affiliated with Top One Futures. Don't have any affiliated links. I'm not promoting them. This is just a platform that I use to trade as far as prop firms. I do also trade with Top Step, but I'm not showing that on here. Um, hey, see if we can get tapped in. I'm ready to make this month a great month. I swear trading has me looking forward to each morning, 9 o'clock. I'll be ready for the next day. Like yesterday, after taking that L, I was already like, man, let's get back to this open. Let's just get back to this market open. Let's get back to this market open. This is looking good too because 808 looks like it could be the new resistance level since 808 before, roughly around 808 was a support level, right? Support, 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 support. Now, since we broke underneath that 808 level, we can come up, tap, and possibly act as resistance, push on back down. So we got a few things going for us potentially with this trade. Close to being tapped in now. So
Order filled.
all right. So we're in. I'm taking my take profit down to seven. What's that? 728. Actually, let me have it a little bit higher. Let's come up right to the. I'm looking at this here, bringing up right to the bottom of this candle. So 731 is where I'm looking to get out. 731. Here we just let the trade play out from here. Everything else is already set, accounted for. If it goes up to 833, we out. If we get down to 731, we out. That's just where we're at. So see how this supply holds up. Again, we're in the downtrend. We had a 9 o'clock breakout candle to the downside. We're trading underneath VWAP. We got a nice key level here for possible resistant level. So it's a lot of good things here to jump in this trade. A lot of good things for us to jump into this trade. Just needed to go in our favor here. So like I said, I'm out at 731. Yeah. This is a 1 to 3. This hits today. This is a 1 to 3. So this will put us in a good spot for the week. No, it's just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. Yeah. Let's do something special today, Nas. Let's do something special today. Let's do something special today. So I normally take my setups off of the 5 minute, but the 15 has been looking. It's been looking pretty clean as of late. So 15 minute has been taking my entries off of there as of back and forth, whatever looks best. So today we took it off to 15. There was a little bit of area to fill on the 5 up here, so it looks like that's where it came back up to. Hopefully we can get this rejection here shortly. Come on back down to the downside. But since I took it off the 15, I'm just going to watch it on the 15. So we got a new candle starting here. It's 9:16. It'll be lovely for us to start making our way back down. Have this candle close as a Bearish candle. Just keep making our way down to the downside. It's definitely going to take some time because we got in before 9:30. The setup happened at 9. So it's going to take some time to get the results, whether it's a L or a win. It's just going to take its time. Hopefully, of course, I love when I get in the move and as soon as I hit the button, I get the results right away. But you take something, in my opinion, if you take anything, um, before 9:30, you're going to be waiting for some time for it to play out. Besides, like these breakout setups, sometimes these breakout setups react pretty quickly, no matter what time. But yeah. Shit, I'm just looking left again. Yeah. I like this price here, 731. Yeah. See if this 1 to 3 hits today. It's 1 to 3 hits. We'll be sitting pretty good to finish up the week with Wednesday and Thursday. Nasty Wednesday and what's the name we had for Thursday? I don't even know.
I think it was Dirty Thursday. I think so.
Thursday.
Wednesday was Nasty Wednesday.
Nasty Wednesday and I don't even know. Thursday need like Thursday is just that day. I don't know what it is about Thursdays. Thursdays be going crazy, but Wednesday's been yeah. So we can hit today on a Tuesday. Yeah, it's something about price action on Wednesdays and Thursdays that fits my strategy pretty well, pretty good. So that's why I love when I get off to a hot start on Monday. We can hit on Monday. It's like, okay, if you finish off strong on Tuesday, it's definitely going to be a solid week because it's something about the aura and the expectations of winning on Wednesdays and Thursdays. We just be winning on them days. So hopefully this candle keeps playing out in our favor and this momentum can just keep pushing us down to the downside. I said this trade is going to take a little bit of time because we got in at 9. To me, the best trade was already on the board at 9, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. In a downtrend, we're underneath VWAP. We've just touched all-time highs. Last time, every time we get to these prices, we do like to sell off pretty good. So yeah, just following that trend. Just following that trend. Not gonna think too hard about it. Market's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. So Just got to be a part of the move. Just got to be a part of the move. So we got 8 minutes until this candle closes. Again, we're watching this on the 15th. So it's going to take some time. But I'm here for it. This beats an 8-hour work day any time, any day of the week. Any day of the week, bro. It's a new month. It's a new month. Put that month behind us. Just try to take the information and what we learned or what I learned last month, apply it to this month, and hopefully we get better results. I don't see why we wouldn't get better results. We already were getting results, uh, you know, with limited information. If I'm improving and getting better and better week to week, um, month by month, and having a second to pause to reflect to see, what can I do better? Should be no reason why I can't get better. I expect July to be far, far more profitable than June. June was definitely a learning experience. I'm just grateful as I'm learning, still happen to make a little bit of dollars. We're getting close to 9:30. If this candle closes like this, I like how it's looking so far. So hopefully we keep on pushing down and we'll have an easy day. An easy day. What time did I get in this? I got in this at 9. So yeah, this trade will probably take 30 minutes to play out. Hopefully the 9:30 candle opens up and just straight down, straight to the point. It's getting straight to the point. We got 5 minutes for this candle to close. Yeah. No matter what, it's a win for the day. Follow the rules. We got our exit plan. We had our entry plan. This is a valid trade. Yeah. Now it's just about executing and taking advantage of the opportunities that's presented. So 15's fighting right now. If this can close like this, I'll be happy with the results so far. Thus far, we got 5 minutes till the market opens, or actually 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So let's see if we're on the right end of market open or if we're on the wrong end. Time will only tell. I just know if we're on the right end, we eating the day. We eating the day if we're on the right end. I know that. We are eating today. Yeah, 3 minutes now. We got 3 minutes. Patience pays. Patient pays. Patient pays. $9.27. We getting close. We are getting close. So when I'm looking at the markets and I'm in a long trade, I try not to focus on the noise of what's happening in the candle, because that really doesn't matter, right? We take the setup that's there. The only thing I'm really concerned about is the time. Like, what time is it? Why are we, moving heavy? Or are we not moving? Is there volume? That's the only thing I really care about. So that's why I keep calling out the time until 9:30, because to me that matters more than what's going on, but with the candle going up and down, up and down. As long as we can close bearish, I'm happy. I'm happy. Not going to read into the noise of the candle, because that's what creates all the emotion for me. Looking at it go up and down, up and down, it just makes you want to close and take your money and get out. So I just look at the time, close to 9:30. Candle is closing. It looks like it should close bearish, which is a good sign. Then yeah, got 10 seconds here. Here we go. 9:30 open. Well, Tuesday, pay the bills. The answer is Whew, this thing, boy, taking this time. Take your time with it. Cook up. Let's cook up. Let's pay the bills on this Tuesday. Let's go, NAS. Let's go 100. Let's go 100. Let's go 100. We got 8 minutes for this candle to close. So, with NAS, any point in time, it can make its decision. Normally, we would have got an answer by now. I feel like it's 9:37. I feel like normally the 9:30 candle will tell you whether you're right or wrong within that first 5 minutes. But we'll see what we get in the first 15. Yeah, still fully committed. I'm all in and all out. Keep finding this little resistance at 802, 803, and fighting right on back up. It's weird. I'm on Tuesday. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it Tuesday. $9.38. Still not too much going on. Just fighting around this little 10 to 15 point range. Been in this trade now for about 40 minutes. Got 5 minutes for this candle to close. Hopefully and start making a clear decision on what it wants to do. I'm ready to get these results. So pretty slow first 10 minutes of Tuesday today. Pretty slow. Normally, my wins or losses come within about 10 minutes. So this is a pretty long trade for me right now. Yeah, normally it takes about 10 minutes to know whether I'm going to lose or win. Normally the trade plays out in 10 minutes. This one right here, gracious. We 12 minutes in and we haven't done much of anything. All I know is this was a valid trade. Just going to let it play out. Will we make our decision now? To be continued on this Tuesday. Let's go, MNQ. Come on now. Let's do something. You're killing me. Got me working overtime. Got me working overtime. Are we ready? Will Tuesday pay the bills? Will Tuesday pay the bills? All right, I'm taking a little risk off of here, coming down to this wick. 821. All right, this candle's finally closed. See if we keep making our way on down. See if we keep making our way on down here. It's 9:46. I took some of the risk off here because I don't see a reason for us to revisit that price. Feel like if we are going to revisit that price, then it's probably going to end up pushing up well past that. It's Tuesday. It's taking its sweet time. It is taking its sweet time. But we are still here. We are still here.
Order filled.
All right, looks like we got taken out. Looks like we got taken out. The 1-to-1 hit today. Maybe we had some tail sign in here that this was going to play out, or maybe this demand was strong here again for the 10th time, touching these levels, finding support. Yeah, 1-to-1 hit today though. The chart was telling me I can get much more than that, than a 1-to-1. We didn't take. I think now at this point, if it passed this level, it's going to keep going up to the upside. So we'll see. I'm about to wrap this up. First trade for July. Send that negative 272. We'll see. It's crazy how flat NAS 100 is today. It's like we've just been stuck right here. Found support. Looks like now it's ready to come up and break VWAP on the 5. Yeah, supply move played out. It gave a 1-to-1, but nothing else. Nothing more. Nothing more. It's like so now you have a possible re-entry for a buy. If you break the VWAP level here, you can get in on a long position to the upside. That will confirm this little demand wick here that tapped in. Yeah, I'm actually pretty surprised that we didn't get anything else more out of this supply than a 25-point move. Yeah, we still have pretty decent clean range to the left to come down. We had a breakout candle here on the hour. Everything was definitely pointing towards sell, or a pretty big sell coming up. It's 9:53. Yeah, as flat as it was moving, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it moving sometimes. Less is more. I thought about possibly just taking a 1-on-1 just because how slow it was moving, but you never know what this market wants to do. Just try to use your judgment and analysis to the best. We got a buy opportunity coming up on a 5 if you can break the VWAP for a break and retest of the VWAP. Yeah, 10 o'clock. 9:55, 10 o'clock candle coming up. See if this is the. This is looking so ugly on the 5. This volume is just not doing anything. It's not doing anything. But we did have the 1-to-1 today. Definitely had that. Trying to go back and see. No, the 1-to-3 I did definitely wasn't a stretch. Like, this looks clean enough. Yeah, this looks clean enough. Just never got that push that we were looking for. Paid out a 1-to-1. This would be a 1-to-1 right here. Risk 25 to take 25. Paid that out. I was rejecting pretty strong off of this VWAP here. I'm curious to see what the market is going to decide to do here. Is this a VWAP sell-off? Came up here. Now we're just coming on back down. Yeah, the only thing on the table for me at this point is if we break VWAP on the 5, I'll be looking for buys for a VWAP buy to the upside. You know, this 10 o'clock.
The markets are open.
This market is bananas. This might be a good time to sell off or a great time to buy. Got 3 minutes to see what this is talking about. See what this 1 hour say. It's 1 hour showing that it closed down here. Yeah. Go ahead and call it. This market is moving crazy. That's it for July 1. Be back at it again tomorrow. I'm out. Lock these accounts down.